In today's video, we'll show you how to place market execution orders on RTrader Pro. Right here we have the recent orders window, and next to it the positions window. You can open these windows from the launch bar on the left. Just click on the respective window icon and adjust it as per your preference. Let's pull up the order book to start placing trades. This is the order book, also known as the DOM. In the symbol name field, type in the symbol followed by the exchange, or simply double-click to open the Add Symbol window. On the left, you'll see all the available exchanges. Double-click on any exchange to view its listed instruments. Let's go with the E-mini 500. Double-click on it and you'll see all the contracts listed under that instrument. Double-click on the front month contract, then click Add and Close at the bottom. Next, in the order book, choose your account number, then adjust the contract quantity. Let's set it to 1, and you can also set it to default from here. Now, to place a buy market trade, simply navigate to the bottom of the order book and click on Buy Market. To place a sell market order, click on Sell Market. Both filled orders will be updated under the Completed Orders and the Fills tab of the Recent Orders and Positions window. Any open trades will appear highlighted in the Positions tab. And that's it. Placing market orders on RTrader Pro is that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.